It's after 5 now. Teachers want their money and parents want to know how to plan for their kids who are supposed to start school next month at A.T. Jones Math, Science and Technology Academy, a charter school in Carrollwood. There's been no official word from the school's board, but there are several signs that the school is shutting down. Our Ashley Glass is live at the school this morning with more on this developing story. Good morning, Ashley.
Hi, Dia. First thing I did this morning, checked online. The school's website is up and running. There's not a post about it shutting down. Then we get to the school this morning. Right at the front entrance of the school here, you see the cones blocking the entrance. And then the sign right out front of the school, it's empty. Other parts of the building, too. The lettering A.T. Jones Academy has been ripped away from the building. We first brought you this story. We first brought this to your attention last week. Parents allege the school's board members mismanaged money, creating a $100,000 deficit, making it unlikely the school will open next month. Teachers at the school tell us their health insurance has been terminated twice, but money is still being deducted from their paychecks for coverage. At a board meeting last week, the only board member to show up, Bob Morrison, told teachers and parents he would be emailing them soon with some answers. But still, as of last night, teachers tell us they haven't heard a thing.
They owe me $623 for the premiums that I pay without it providing the services. I haven't heard anything from them yet, and we haven't got our checks back yet. Nothing.
Board Treasurer Bob Morrison did not return our recent phone calls. He has said in the past, though, the school is in the red because parents have not paid up on after-school care and lunches. He's also apologized to teachers and assured them they will get their money. We will be staying on top of the story. We'll let you know as soon as we find out what is next for this school and the 200 students who are enrolled here. Live in Carrollwood, Ashley Glass, ABC Action News.
Thank you.